This channel and all its videos are non-profit and for the sole objectives of educational and teaching purposes only. We hope everyone enjoy and learn from them. Hello everyone, Teacher Lim here once again. Now, thank you for joining me at my channel and video once more. So, today I will be talking about electromagnets and specifically how to increase or decrease the strength of an electromagnet. Now, an electromagnet is a kind of temporary magnet because it's not permanent, obviously. It's not a real actual magnet. But it is temporary as long as we supply it with electrical energy. So electromagnet is a type of temporary magnet. So why did I put this here is because I wanted to let everyone know that an electromagnet is actually a type of temporary magnet. And of course, this is a topic under primary 3 science in primary school. So I want to show everyone that when you increase the number of coils, you will be able to increase the strength of the electromagnet. And another way of increasing the strength of the electromagnet is, of course, to increase the number of batteries or the number of batteries that are supplying the electrical energy to the electromagnet or to the steel or iron nail in this situation or in this scenario. So of course, as usual, my credits go to Google for information and Google Images for many of the pictures that I've used in this this video. I mean, there are not many pictures also, but some pictures. Basically the pictures that I've used here, they're all from online, from Google Images. Now, I think the first question everybody will be thinking is, what object do we use as an electromagnet? Now, of course, usually we will use a magnetic material or object like iron or steel, which is a good object to be used here is an iron or steel nail. Of course, we can very easily test if this nail is magnetic or not. We can use a magnet to bring near to it and test it. So if it's attracted by, if the nail is attracted by the magnet, then obviously it's a magnetic material. So it can be used as an electromagnet. As I mentioned here already, usually we wouldn't know it's iron or steel, but once we use the magnet to test, we will know that it's magnetic. So it doesn't really matter if it's iron or steel. As long as it's magnetic, I think it's fine. Now, so I will demonstrate to everyone how the number of coils first. Okay, number of coils first will affect the strength of an electromagnet. Alright, the number of coils affecting the strength of an electromagnet. So I want to bring everybody's attention to this table now. So I will fix the number of batteries as 1. But of course, the number of coils, I will increase it from 20 coils to 30 coils. And we will see how many staples will be attracted by this electromagnet when it has 20 coils around it versus 30 coils around it. Something I want to point out to everyone before I move on to the demonstration video or demonstration part. So usually, I think I was corrected by an English teacher or English colleague. Usually we call it staples, not staple bullets. They're not guns, they're not rifles, so we don't call them staple bullets. They're simply called staples, S-T-A-P-L-E-S. A stapler would be spelled as S-T-A-P-L-E-R. So let's move on now to the demonstration video so you can see what result we will get. Number of coils 30, number of coils 20, number of coils 30. So I'm hoping to see an increasing trend. So this question mark would by right should have more than this, because of the increased number of coils will increase the strength of the electromagnet and hence increase the strength or increase the number rather of staples that will be attracted to this electromagnet. Alright everyone, so I want to show you that the number of coils around a iron nail or steel nail for that matter will increase the strength of the iron nail. So you can see that I actually have a iron nail here, but it only has 20 coils. So I will use just one battery, and then I will connect it to the battery. So as you are doing this, right, you need to be careful. It can be quite hot as the batteries, as the iron nail and the batteries are connected, because after all, this is a electromagnet that I'm creating. So I think before I connect it, right, I want to show everyone this. So I will be using the staples instead of the steel clips or iron clips. You can see that each steel clips is much larger than a staple. So I will be using the electromagnet to attract the staples instead. So of course they are made of magnetic materials for this to work. So let me put aside the steel or iron clips. So now I will connect the iron nail to the battery. So take note, this is one battery with 20 coils. Alright, I got them connected here. So let's see how many staples is able to attract. Okay, so let me drag across the staples first. Make sure that it's lifted up. Okay, here we go. Quite a few here. Okay, then I'll let go. Right, then we can see how many, we can count how many is attracted by one magnet. Sorry, not one magnet, one battery with 20 coils. So I have 5, I have 10, I have 15 staples. So far is 15. So I'll group them according to fives, groups of 5, so that it's easier to see and count. So here I have 20, then I have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 20 coils with one battery actually attracted 30 staples altogether. So right now I will increase the number of coils to 30. Alright, so I think I'll add 5 more on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'll add another 5 more coils on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are more coils now. So by right, this iron nail will be a stronger electromagnet or temporary magnet. So by right, the results would be more than 30 staples, but we will see nonetheless. So let me put all these staples onto the paper first, quickly. Alright, so do remember we will have the number of batteries stay constant or stay the same as one battery, but we will increase the number of coils. So the difference will only be cost, or the reason would only be the number of coils. So I will connect the iron nail onto the battery first, and the wires, of course. Okay, so I'm hoping that of course it will attract more staples. Okay, so same thing, I will drag the iron nail across the staples. Oops, it got disconnected. Okay, so it's not easy. Let me try this again. Pardon me there. Right. Okay, I think I have to... Okay, it burns out quickly, so I'm trying not to hurt my hands or my fingers. Okay, sorry, do give me a while there while I connect the wires together. Alright, I finally got it connected. Okay, I hope you will be able to extract more staples. Okay, I think it's able to even pick up the whole lot of it. Okay. Alright, I think I got quite a lot there. Okay, so now I will release this and we will count how many was actually attracted. Okay, so just now we had 30, so there's supposed to be more since I increased the number of coils to 30 coils instead of 20 just now. So I have 5, then 15. Now I have 20 staples, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Alright, I think I'll add the other side. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Alright. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wow, I have a nice number there. So when I had 20 coils on the iron nail, with one battery, of course, I managed to attract a 30 staples. So now with 30 coils and one battery, I managed to attract actually 50 staples. So you can see from this short video that as you increase the number of coils around the iron nail or the steel nail or the temporary magnet or the electromagnet, increase the number of coils, it will increase the strength of the electromagnet. So it is 20 coils, one battery managed to attract 30 staples, but with 30 coils around the iron nail or steel nail with one battery managed to attract 50 staples. Alrighty there everyone, I hope you liked the simple demonstration video. So according to that small experiment that we just did, by fixing this variable or this factor, there's one battery, we increased the number of coils from 20 to 30 using the same equipment, or the same battery, the same wires, the same nail, the same staples, to keep this a very fair and a proper experiment. And you can see that the number of staples attracted increased from 30 when it was at 20 coils to 50 staples when the electromagnet had 30 coils over it. So you can see that there is a increase or more number of coils, which also led to or resulted in the increase in number of staples that are attracted to the electromagnet. So it's very obvious that the increase in number of coils will increase the strength of the electromagnet as shown by the number of staples. So we cannot assume that, oh, the strength increases, but rather is evident or is shown from the number of staples it attracted from 30 to 50. So this shows the increase in strength of the electromagnet based on the evidence that the number of staples attracted were increased as well from 30 to 50. So hope you can look at the table clearly and enjoy it for a while. Alrighty, there I will move on now to demonstrate how does the number of batteries affect the strength of an electromagnet. So just now we were talking about the coils, number of coils, but now we are talking about the number of batteries which will affect the electromagnet. So we have a slightly different table here. Alright, slightly different table. So now I have fixed the number of coils around the electromagnet or this nail, the iron or steel nail. I'm so sorry, up to now, at this point in time, I still don't know whether it's iron or steel, but I think it doesn't really matter. So number of coils is fixed at 20, but the number of batteries I changed from 1 battery to 2 battery. So what is the number of staples that will be attracted, or how many staples will be attracted accordingly when there's 1 battery in the circuit or 2 battery in the circuit. So we will be looking at this through the demonstration video again. So I hope you pay close attention to it and enjoy this demonstration video about the number of batteries that increased from 1 to 2, and I fixed the number of coils at 20. Alright everyone, so now I will want to maintain or keep the number of coils constant. Instead, I want to demonstrate to you that the more batteries you have, or the more batteries you add for the electromagnet, you will be able to attract even more staples. So we start off with just 1 battery first. Just 1 battery, so let me connect it. Okay, so I will connect to one side and to the other side. So take note that it will be hot, so try not to touch it once you connect it. Okay, let me first try to connect this. Okay, I got it, almost. Okay, so it's not easy to get the batteries connected. To connect to the battery. Okay, it's in. I think I have to hold on to it. So let's see how many it can attract. Okay, it's getting hot. Okay, it's getting hot. Okay, I think I have enough. I'll let go now. Yep. So this is 20 coils with 1 battery. So let's take a look at how many staples I managed to attract with the electromagnet. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, that's 20 staples. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So with 20 coils and 1 battery, I managed to attract 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 32 staples. So I will put all this back now, and then we will see with 2 batteries how many staples the electromagnet or the iron or steel nail or the temporary magnet is able to attract. So of course, I think you have seen the difficult part is to connect the wires and batteries together. So make sure positive to negative. Okay, it's connected, negative to positive. Alright, so this is going to be even hotter because there's going to be 2 batteries. I really hope I do not hurt myself. That the circuit will stay in place. Okay, that's great. It looks like it's staying in place. Okay, let me pick up as many nails as possible now. Sorry, as many staples as possible now. Okay, I drag it across a while. Same as number of times just now I drag across. Okay. Got it, got it. Okay, I will release it now. Oopsie. Okay. So I have the batteries and the nail here. Alright. So just now was 32. We are hoping to get more now since there's 2 batteries. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, it's really 30. Okay, 31, 32. So it's already more than 32, more than 1 battery. Let's see how many more. Okay, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 39, 40. Okay, 40, 41, 42. Wow. So just now I had 20 coils. 20 coils around the iron or steel nail. The battery, with only 1 battery, it was 32. So now I have used 2 batteries. It managed to attract 10 more. 10, 20, 30, 40, 42. So this is also to show and demonstrate or prove or show evidence to everyone through this science practical, simple science practical, that as you increase the number of batteries to the electromagnet, it will attract even more staples as well. So just a quick summary, as you increase the number of coils and the number of batteries, it will definitely increase the strength of the electromagnet, and I hope everyone really enjoyed this simple demonstration video. So as you are trying, please be careful, the wires will burn up. So try to fix, have the wires fixed there. You just need to lift up and touch the plastic or non-metallic part so you not burn your hands, and you can conduct this experiment in a safe and useful way. So I hope everyone enjoyed this small experiment. Maybe one last thing I want to show everyone. So seems like even if the iron nail is old or rusty, it is still able to work. So I was discussing with my class previously, the new shiny brand new nails might not even work because they might be coated with a coat of paint on it, which prevents electricity from passing through. You know, it becomes an insulator, so on and so forth. So these are instances where an old rusty nail may even work better than a new shiny nail. So that's all from me, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Alrighty there, children, or I would say everyone. So before I showed you the demonstration of the experiment, so the number of coils were fixed at 20. Number of batteries, we changed from 1 to 2, and of course we were not, we don't know the results before the experiment, but now we do. So in fact, it is actually 1 battery, 20 coils, it attracted 32 staples. 20 coils with 2 batteries, it attracted 42 staples. So the same thing as previously, the number of coils that increase. If you increase the number of batteries, you also increase the number of staples which will be attracted to the electromagnet, which also means that the strength of the electromagnet was increased simply by adding 1 more battery. So that's an increase of 10 staples. I think it's quite a significant increase. 10 from 32 to 42 is 10. So I want to end off this video very quickly, but importantly, that the main point of this video is to show these two statements, or these two main points, or these two, I would say, very important concepts. The strength of an electromagnet can be increased by increasing the number of coils, or a bit of English here, or you can have, or you can mention that the strength of an electromagnet can be increased by having more coils around the iron nail or the electromagnet. And number two, the strength of an electromagnet can be increased by increasing the number of batteries used in the electromagnet, or by having more batteries in the electromagnet. So, a very simple video here on electromagnets. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Okay, this is my last slide for this video. So, hope you learned something today. Hope everyone learned something here today. So, I'm gonna sign off here. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you will continue to support my channel and watch my videos. Goodbye and take care.